Greetings, in this video I will show you how to install ngrok without error. Ngrok is a useful utility to create secure tunnels to locally hosted applications using a reverse proxy. It is a utility to expose any locally hosted application over the web. In simple terms, it provides a publicly accessible web URL to any locally hosted application, i.e. be it a Spring Boot or Node.js based web application or a webhook for a chat application, etc. Ngrok is available for free use by signing through email or GitHub/Gmail accounts. The paid version has few enhanced features like custom subdomains, whitelisting, support, etc. However, the free version is sufficient for all practical needs. Also, an interesting piece is how it is pronounced, i.e. some say it as ngrok while a lot of people prefer ngrok. Let us try to understand a few use cases where this utility can be used. Number 1, suppose you are developing a web application, hosted on localhost, and you want to verify/validate it on all the browsers/OS combinations. You can be on Mac and want it to test on Internet Explorer, then you can simply start your application and expose it over ngrok. Anyone with a Windows PC can access that link and you can test your website. Look at the other use cases of testing on mobile browsers which could be achieved using the exposed web link. Number 2, for use cases such as webhooks, where you rely on an external system to notify about a certain event. For example, payment service webhooks which are triggered upon successful payment completion. To validate this integration, you would require the triggering application to access this webhook, i.e. a publicly accessible URL that can be achieved using ngrok. Number 3, another very important use case is if you want to demo/showcase your web application to your end users and/or clients, then you can use it to generate a public URL and share it. Here's my 6 favorite things about ngrok. It's really easy to install and use. It has a dashboard. You can replay requests. You can secure your tunnels. Pro tip: you can use custom subdomains. Pro tip: you can configure all this to happen automatically. A few great features. Secure tunnels: instantly create a public HTTPS URL for a website running locally on your development machine. Fast. Password protected. WebSocket support. Replay webhook requests. Automate ngrok via API. Pros: you don't need to configure port forwarding on your routers or waste time setting up dynamic DNS solutions like NoIP. You can protect the access by providing creds like password and share only with the desired person/client. You can tunnel almost every TCP connection. Ngrok does not log or store any data transmitted through your tunneled connections. I believe there are many advantages of using ngrok, but I found above pros fascinating. Cons: it actually generates a public URL randomly, and if you want a custom URL then you need to buy basic/pro version for custom domain or white label domain. I can't think of any other cons. Steps to install ngrok. Step 1. Download ngrok, https://ngrok.com/download. Step 2. Here I am using fake mail provider like 10minutesmail.com. You can use any mail services like Nota Mail, Temp Mail, or Throwaway Mail. Step 3. After downloading the ngrok, go to that directory where you have downloaded in your terminal. Then extract it. Unzip/ngrok.zip. Step 4. Run ngrok with your authorization token. If you have not, just sign up to ngrok and it will give you a auth token to run first time on your computer. Step 5. Copy the auth token and paste it in your terminal so that it can automatic configure. Here my net connection is slow, so sorry for that. Step 6. After that you have to type /ngrok TCP and then your favorite port number. My is 443 to start ngrok connection. Thanks for watching.